Hello everyone, welcome to our Crochet tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make beautiful green leaves using crochet. This project is perfect for beginners and is a great way to practice your skills. So grab your crochet hook and some green yarn and let's get started. Materials needed: green yarn, crochet hook recommended for your yarn, yarn needle, step-by-step instructions. Make a slip knot. Start by making a slip knot. This is the first step for most crochet projects. Place the knot on your crochet hook. Chain stitch. Chain 10 stitches. This will be the base of your leaf. Single crochet. In the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet stitch. Half double crochet. In the next chain, make a half double crochet stitch. Make a double crochet stitches in each of the next 3 chains. This will form the middle part of the leaf. Half double crochet. In the next chain, make a half double crochet stitch. Single crochet. Make a single crochet stitches in the last chain. Create the leaf tip. Chain 2 at the end of your row and turn your work to the other side. Repeat on the other side. Now work back up the other side of the chain. Start with a single crochet in the first stitches. Make a half double crochet in the stitch. Use a yarn needle to weave in any loose ends. Trim any excess yarn. Experiment with different shades of a green to create a natural look. Use these leaves as decorations for your crochet projects, such as flowers or garlands. Practice makes perfect. Don't worry if your first leaf is not perfect. Thank you for watching.